Jutai. Today I am in Moina's kitchen.
Jutai.
Today we have Moina's elder sister Somlika
Jutai.
and her youngest sister Hamloy. Jutai, yes. And today we are going to make a very simple chutney. King katai shapinma. It's a chutney that they make in the villages. Kim katai ke guduma. So we will make space for it. So we'll put it here. There. Huh? She just left. Somlika doha naflam ki shauma, so which she will roast it on this firewood. That's the technique that she uses. Wow, medium katse. This is amazing. For us, how we do it, we just put it by the firewood and let it slow cook. And it's like they put both the firewood together and then they blow on it. Wow, why could he? You cannot say why could he? Huh? Huh? Stovia? Huh? Lajiba siroya nebo. She just said siroya ang lajiba, which means I am quite shy. I can't say it. She doesn't look shy. Chakka. Somlika is roasting the chili here in a very quick and fast forward method. I have never seen it. So this is a very quick chili roast method. Our kim khatai looks like guduba ho gaya hai, roast ho gaya hai. So now you can see the leaves, the banana leaves, they are all crisp and slightly burnt. So Somlika is very strong. She is using her bare hands and I have the firewood with me to help. Ooh. Mera to nikal hi nahi raha. So I'm trying to do it as smoothly like Somlika, but I'm failing at it terribly. Sab nikal raha hai mera to pat pat ke nikal raha hai. So she's plucking it all out from this. We just need the kim khatai. Yeah. So this was smooth. We have reached the final part of our chutney. Doha Somlika, kim khatai ke doha shapin makha.
Shem nang dum sai nang dum.
Shem morsai ude naflam na. Uran shapin makha.
Jang shapin ma ke.
Yaw riyaw nang niya.
Riyaw ya.
Wow. He is the youngest brother of Moina. So they are total 7. Bye. He was just pretending to cry. Doha shapin makha angshe mera deng nang do. Chana ilijang. So his name is Gijirao. Gijirao matlab chota wala. So he is the youngest. So hi. Our kim khatai chutney with fermented dry fish is ready. Somlika ne shapinba kar diya hai. Somlika ning taste le sa. Shem nang do na nang ang poijing de taste le. Shem bo nang kha. Kha bo kha kha. Thau bo thau kha. Shem nang do. So khadu means bahut hi karwa hai, it's bitter. So I really enjoyed this. So there are many medicinal benefits with all the vegetables and fruits that all the tribal people in Northeast India eat. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you. See you all in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.
And Hamloy just left. She just left and she's sleeping. Don't want to bother her anymore. She's unbothered. Nah,